Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Bluetooth device is enabled and shows as paired, but is not working. Click Start Settings, Devices. Bluetooth audio device is paired but not working. Click More Bluetooth options. Check Allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC under Discovery. Click Apply, OK. Select Paired Device, click Remove Device. Click Add Bluetooth or other devices. Click Bluetooth. Bluetooth device paired and connected successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.